Yo, yo,
Hello, hello. Okay.
yo. Can you hear me? You good?
Yeah, I
Can
think.
you hear me
Wait,
typing here? I'm gonna type.
wait,
Look,
wait. Your audio might be way too high. Before they. Okay. Try now.
yes, sir.
Try say something now.
Yo, yo, yo.
Okay, that might be good or it might be too high. I don't know. I'll just lower it a little bit. Okay.
Here, just see if you can hear me typing. I don't want to disrupt your. Ready?
Are you typing?
Yeah. Okay, we're good then.
Yeah.
I turn on noise suppression session.
Okay. Okay. I think we're good. Really good. Cool. Okay. Let's roll. Okay. They have everything set up. Okay. Everything looks good. Can anyone say if Desi is good on voice right now? If his audio is good? I know Lanto had some trouble.
Yo, I think we should be chilling.
First day of the week. Let's see what happens. Let me just tell everyone we're live now.
Yeah, go ahead. Live. Confirming channel now.
Audio's good. Okay, they confirmed it. Okay, let's roll, baby. Yeah, we I guess for this stream we just have you on, but other streams maybe we'll do the screen setup thing and we'll
Oh
actually
yeah,
that'd
share
be
both of
clean.
our screens.
Yeah, but I haven't really took a trades today that much. I only took one in the morning. I don't know if you took a lot of trades today, Desi.
I honestly, I did. I missed the morning dump down, but I caught some buys at the lows tier today. It's pretty neat. I've been scalping. Nothing really. I came in. I was like, all right, NQ is gonna tap its new week opening gap, and after that, it's just been scalps.
That's good. We have a lot of range though. Like I wasn't really trying to
Yeah,
trade the morning too much. It's when it's Monday like this, I'm like kind of in the back seat.
yeah. I don't mind range days at all. I actually prefer them. It's a pretty good range. Overnight was pretty good too. I was looking at it last night.
Well, yeah, that. But then like there's a lot of people with outages, bro. Like how does that even happen? Like even with live accounts, people were like getting bad fills, and I don't know if they can help them.
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean,
There was like data fill issue or something.
dude, trading off open is crazy.
Yeah. Well, I
But
think it's like
a lot of people are
it
getting messed
happened
up.
like what is it, 6:10 or something? Like 10 minutes after open, and it lasts for like an hour or something. I hope they're good. Or let me make you a mod.
Yeah, but that's a good. I don't know what they do with a live account like that. That would be that's tough. Someone
Yeah.
says 340 liquidity good. Yeah, I'm kind of looking at 340 as liquidity here for NQ and ES. Just don't want a SMT to form here. Be good.
Alright, let me make you a mod there. So there we go. We good. Okay. ES is pushing high of day. Looks or yeah, high of days right now. I really haven't looked at markets too much since like 10:30, so this is my first time on it. Let's see if we can get some trades going. But yeah, looking at it, we took out Asia lows for both NQ and ES, and then we filled a gap there. ES filled most of it, NQ filled through it, and now we're trying to go for the highs now. Let's see. Let me see the
Yeah,
15.
we got a good bounce for like 5-minute FEG. Aggressive here.
Yes, pushing. Yeah, but I basically trade breakers. If you guys don't know, I trade breakers in Unicorn, and Desi he trades inversions as his main model. So hopefully we bring in some different traders on and have different perspectives.
Yes, sir.
And we might host the, what is it? We were planning the Asia streams. We might do that too. Might get that going. Mm. Yeah, but I was talking to my Discord, like I was telling them like what's some good recommendation for my setup, so I can stream more, I can be more comfortable and all that. Just like revamping my whole office basically.
How is your office like a decent size? My issue right now is
It's not that
my
big,
my
honestly,
setups.
dude.
Yeah,
In
my
my
setup is in
head,
my.
yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
I was gonna say my room is like pretty small and it's crammed in. So like dude, my desk is so small. It's like I'm using every inch of my desk.
I don't even know how big it is, but it's not like in my head. I'm like, yeah, I can probably fit like a large desk and maybe even second desk. But I walked in, I'm like, never mind. This is actually kind of small. Um,
This might be overkill, dude. But I was thinking of building an office, like an extension to my house.
oh, like outside or how like another how does
Another
it work?
room.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
another room in my house. Like
Or you can,
extend
what,
it
you
into
can
the
just buy one of
backyard.
those Amazon house. You know what they do?
Yo, facts.
$40,000 something like that. Buy Amazon house. But yeah, I did. A lot of people were kind of, or a few people were showing me like the standing desks, and I was actually vibing with. Or like, I didn't realize how expensive it was because like my desk right now is like $80-$90 for L desk, just a standard desk that I bought like 2 years
Yeah.
ago, and the standing desk is like $1,000. I'm like, damn, I guess it must be worth it at least because you're gonna be using it so often, and I guess it helps you. But you said you bought one recently too,
Mhm.
and we'll see how that goes.
Nate with the $2 dono says, "Give us a trade, Jesse." Man, 340 coming, 340 coming. If you look at Brian, if you could show him the 1230 inversion, that's actually very high
What time
probability.
frame? One
Just
minute?
yeah, 1 minute because we tapped into a 5 minute
Oh,
fair value gap and then we bounced, and that 1230 inversion
let me
is
see.
really nice.
12:30. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
Well, what do you do when there's like two gaps though? Like there's like,
I use the one that's just getting rejected off of, so you
okay,
can just use it.
okay. So like,
Yeah,
yeah, I see that they got rejected at 12:40, and we close
yeah.
above, and then we actually retap back inside of it.
Yeah, so guys, if you guys trade inversions, right, you can trade the retap back into it as long as we don't take out the previous high. So as you guys can see to the left, we had the high within that 1 minute FEG that never got taken out, right? So that's why that FEG could get, or the inverse could get tapped back into, and it's high probability because we had our internal buy set at 273.
Yeah,
Take
that's
that would have
solid.
got taken out. I wouldn't look at that as like a high probability inversion.
Yeah, I don't trade inversion as much. But I tend to like the retap back down, even though it's like a little bit more risky sometimes because sometimes it goes against you instead of like just jumping in when we violate it, and usually it just keeps on going, leaving no retrace. But this one retraced beautifully there. Um, anyone else in chat has a setup that took like the morning or like the last 2 hours, maybe a breaker setup or something? This is the only setup I took here today. This was on 30 second, and it was very clean. I posted that chat, and I think a lot of people took in the chat there. This is what it looks like in 30 second here. Should be a little bit down here, but entry like around 200 flat, stop at 190, and then it did go more, like 30 points, but it was a 1.4 RR trade for me. Let's just see if we can get a good trade today. But I think we're on a streak on YouTube at least. I think we had 3 wins in a row, two last week, and then one on Friday. So let's see if we can keep that going. Oh, someone just posted that micros have been updated in TopStep X.
Oh, have they? Should I test this
So
out right now?
yeah, like if you can use like 2 minis, now you can use 20 micros. Only on TopStep X though. Like they're not even letting it on anywhere else, like Tradevate or anything. Which
What's the launch?
every firm lets you do that. I don't know why it's such a problem for TopStep. But let's
That's
see.
neat though.
Yeah, we're pushing highs. There's not much I can really do here. I'm just letting it play out first, and we're likely to get something near 130 time near that macro. Um, yeah, on ES we're holding very well on this 4 hour FEG here, and we're likely going to go for this high now, which is about 18 points away.
Yeah, I think we put in a daily FEG here on NQ and then reject that potentially going into the rest of this week. I do want a little bit lower overall before we get our move back up.
Yeah. I feel this gap so perfectly there. But if I give a trade and it's a loss, you gotta blame Desi because I took one with Lanto. I think I don't know when it was, Friday maybe, and then like we were talking, I was like I'm gonna take this trade, and I showed it. It was good. So let's see if we carry it on. Just gotta look for the 8 setup.
I really want to see 340 get taken, but we'll see.
Vivi said I took Lanto trade. Oh, it must be the commentary that Lanto was talking about. He was asking us. Let's see here. He longed something. I think he longed like what 160 or something, or 260, something like that. Which is doing well right now. I don't know if he TP'd already. Is AM high a time-based liquidity pool for NQ? AM high is 332 there. We're just kind of going and we're purging the lows and filling the gap, and then moving higher. This is gonna be the target.
At that point, I think we'll just run 340. I think it's Friday's high.
Is there any other liquidity above 330 over there? Oh, 340. That's you meant Friday, yeah. I mean, we fill the gap so nicely, man. How was it? That was like what, during the lunchtime, was it? Or no, that was 11. Yeah, maybe we should have went live in the morning then. We could probably take that trade. I don't know. Was there any breakers set up here? Let's see. We didn't get any retrace. I don't know. I'll probably just tape read this and had my limit orders in, but no fill. I'll probably try to get it at 180 here. Okay, no. Yeah, all good. Let's see.
Let's see, run this high. Bro, using that new week opening gap on a Sunday night or Monday open or Monday New York open is so cracked.
I'm gonna type something in the chat. We'll do a giveaway. We're gonna kind of do this in this way. 150 likes for one giveaway, 250 likes for two, and then the winner can choose from any firm. Let's do that.
Like it up, like it up.
And hopefully we'll get some. Oh, someone's asking for my setup. Let me see so they can improve it. My setup's kind of shabby. But yeah, I've been asking for inputs, and hopefully in the next few weeks we're gonna revamp it.
Where'd you post it at?
Just my general or my premium chat there, or
yeah,
the main
okay.
chat now. Rate the setup, Desi.
Dude, I'm gonna post mine too. Might as well cook both of us while we're at this.
Okay, wait. Let me just show it on the screen too while I'm at it.
My shit's so bad.
Fuck? I can't do it.
Yeah, space though, bro.
Yeah, I do have space. This is
I'm
my
really
setup.
crammed. My shit.
I got 2 monitors. I'm trying to get a third one. I'll do a third one. I have my camera here, my PC, some slippers, a lamp, I guess. So we're gonna get this rolling. Yeah, yours is dark.
I don't have a. Here, actually, I could take a picture right now.
This is Desi's here. You got a PC on the desk. You think if you put your PC on the ground, wouldn't you have more space? Or is that?
Yeah, but it's not that much space. I can't put another monitor there. Maybe like a vertical monitor or something.
Who remembers the Brian Stock level trade rate script. Oh, that's like years ago, man.
That's funny, guys. I still have it favorited on my indicators.
Tissue box is critical. That's for my allergies, man. Okay, yeah, we're pumping. I don't know if I can really. I'm not gonna join in this, but they're probably going for the AM high for for NQ there. We can look. We can do a projection here from a low all the way up. This is a good leg here.
That's two Mondays in a row where it's very good price action.
Yeah, that's good. Monday. Yeah, we're approaching the -4 standard deviation projection there too. I don't think they're really gonna try and go for the New York high here. That really lines up with it. So if we get a long setup somewhere, I'll join in. How would you approach the 158 eval for risk management per trade? I have a video in store for that, so just wait for that if you can. But yeah, let's revamp my setup and then we'll start rolling.
I think you should get like a full proper like completely like just spend a good amount one time and just
Yeah,
like the walls and everything. I have Brian Stonk in the back, make it all neat.
that'd be nice. It does look like a very clear market maker buy model here, especially the reversal down here. We filled the gap very nicely, and then we just slowly grinding up. The last few weeks though, we've been working on a trend way where like we'll just grind up without any real retracement really. But how's tech doing? Let's see. Tech's moving up slowly. Looks good for a run back up to the highs. Just got an ETF count for the first time. It says my CME NQ charts and trade. I think if you trade NQ exclamation point, it should work. I think someone asked that earlier. All right, let's see, any good setups here? It's not we're not in a good area to really play anything. Let me set up my accounts here. Oh, Apex did take out my balance for the withdrawal. They took 4 withdrawal Friday, and they just approved it today or yesterday. It was 2 days approved. Was nice. I don't know how long it'll take for the withdrawal though. It takes a while for them to get the money going. But I would have about like 5 more for the next payout window, which is good. Slowly building Apex into this. But I think I'm at like 25,000 payouts already. This up to date right now, and I should have a little bit more next week. So we're chilling. How much risk do you risk per trade? I have the video on that. It should come in the next few days. But it's around like 7 to 10% of my drawdown.
Yeah, once we get this prop firm bootcamp going, it's gonna be nice. You guys can see how me, Brian, and Lanto all trade. We all trade a little bit differently and risk a little bit different.
Yeah.
So it'll be good to see, whatever you guys prefer. You're like, oh, this matches my style versus someone else.
It's gonna be preference, and then you can do a balance of both too. Like someone could just have like stake a stack account that can do $200 days, and then maybe in a different firm or a different account they could really try to scale it up. So
yeah.
Do
exactly.
both.
Claire, my funded futures, yeah, that's it. I trade with it. I'm sure a lot of people do.
Yeah, I think a lot of people trade my fund futures, which is good. Damn, look at chat, Desi. Someone posted, "What's up, Doge?" Supposed to set up. Is that one monitor, one curved monitor that's like long as hell? That it doesn't look that bad. But I wonder like how many monitors is too excessive? Like I'm like trying to get three right now. Three I think is a good number, but some people would be really going for a lot of monitors.
I think two monitors and the vertical monitor is
Yeah,
fine.
that's why I want it. But I think my 24-inch monitor is kind of small too. I'm probably want to revamp it, like, get like bigger monitors there too.
Have you seen Lanto's setup? It's really neat.
I asked him for a picture. He's like, it looks like crusty or it looks like dirty
Oh,
right now or something.
yeah, but it's a nice setup.
But if you guys want to share any recommendation, go in the Discord. I made a channel for it. It's called Trading Setup Recommended. Again, recommend me anything. I'll probably buy it for my stream, and then maybe it would actually help inspire some setups for you guys too. Like this is nice.
Yeah.
A monitor arm to hook up 3 monitors. That will save a lot of space in the desk too. Mine is
And if you guys have
really shabby.
if you guys have any suggestions on standing up desk where you could like adjust it, where you could stand and sit, that would be greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
Those stairs too, because
Good for
I'm in desperate
back.
need. Yeah.
They're expensive though. Like, but I guess it's worth it. They must be sturdy too, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess I'm willing to if everyone is willing to buy it too. But just looking at like my desk, I've been using for years, and it's not bad. Like I like it still, but it's like only $80 or something.
Gets the job done.
Yeah, but it's time to upgrade. Time for health reasons and for just the quality, the experience, and anything else I'll cop to. Yeah, no setups right now. We just been grinding up the last, I don't know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Slow grinding. I don't really take those type of trades. But we're looking to take out this high, new high here. And we don't have to really try to trade everything. Like typically when I trade 2 hours or like however long my session is, it could just be one setup with that takes like 5 minutes. So we'll just wait for the setup. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. Sells around 50, 60. What do you see at 50, 60? That would take a lot of the highs though. So like you could probably look for something above there if the setup gives it. But yeah, we've been ranging back and forth. I would like NQ to run this high though. That's what I'm probably going for. Maybe retrace back to this overblock here and get a long entry somewhere in the 260s, 270s, and we run up. Can you explain the setup and model you look for? It's just breaker blocks, unicorns. I need to make videos on it, but I have content on my Twitter that's more like advanced theories on it. But if you want basic videos, there's some on YouTube out there, but I'll try to make my own too. I have so many things planned. Like my risk management video is on the works where it should help more than any other things. Let me take this off. Yeah, we're just moving higher slowly here, etching higher. Let me connect all my accounts and then we'll get started. Oh, we're pumping too.
Yeah, they're really going for this high. My allergies have been going absolutely insane, dude.
But what kind of allergies?
Dude, I don't even know. I'm gonna send you a picture in Discord of how bad it was, dude.
Like,
I look so fucking stupid.
here, wait. I need to connect my accounts. Okay. What the hell? Alright, let me log in Tradeovate. It says add-on or some shit. Dude, this month is the month where lots of people get like really good payouts, and hopefully like we carry on next month and they really smash it too.
Yeah.
Like, I've seen a lot of people around me just doing big numbers this month.
Probably look at.
Oh my god. His nose is clogged up. What's the name of the guy you talking with? It's Desi. Um, I should have put you in the description so they know. We'll do it next time there. Wait, do I have to for ETF? Do I have to pay? Yeah, I don't. It's just $5 a month. I thought it was free. What the
It's
hell?
not free.
Now it says $5 a month. Is it charged now? That's so weird. I tried to pay it early and it didn't work. Let me see. It probably won't even work. Yeah, it doesn't work. I need to ask support then. Because I now can't connect TradeView now.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just ask one of my support guys there. It's a glitch. Okay, yeah. I figured. You're pushing higher here. That means I... Yeah.
We might get a short setup after this liquidity gets taken.
Wait, what the fuck? What is this? No way. I have... Dude, on my paper trading account, I have 2 shorts for some reason at... Where the fuck is it? Oh, 18,194. I'm like up 34,000.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Okay, whatever. Let's just get rid of that. That's not a buy here. Okay, there we go. What's that sound in the background? I think someone's mowing my lawn. If that's what it is. Okay, yeah, we're heading for that -4 projection here, and we're trying to look for that AM high here on NQ. This is AM high here. There's just no setups I can really see since I started stream at like 1 p.m. here. They're just slowly grinding up. So even though I have my bias long, I can't really do anything. Yeah. Oh, who's that? I barely hear someone. Oh, is that Mithy? Okay, let me turn the volume up.
Yes. Hey,
Hello.
man.
What's up?
It's me.
I think I had your volume like very low for some reason. I
Bro,
heard
scared
like
the shit out of me.
Yeah, I'm just coming over to talk to you guys, but I haven't talked to you so long.
yeah, we've just been doing our thing. I mean, we're still doing like streams and all that, same thing. But yep.
Yeah, I'm doing my own thing, but like, yeah, it's good to come back and just chat because I already captured the down moves morning, and I'm kind of too lazy to do anything now.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Let me check out chat real quick.
I like that you write your bias at the top.
Yeah,
Right.
that's what helps a lot of people there. I haven't updated today. That reminds me. It should be bullish right now on the intraday.
Bro, ES is going, bro.
ES has a tendency to do very weird stuff nowadays. I feel like they like to retrace the entire way. Oh, okay.
Okay, we took out the AM high there. Would you consider the 5-minute or block if we go back down? Let me see the 5-minute. Yeah, that's generally the area that I'm looking for. But the high got tagged there. We'll see. We just want to see if we have any objective more higher.
Might come back into a range.
Yeah,
I don't
we've been
expect too much
ranging for a while.
expansion.
On a Monday too, with no news or anything. Do we have any news driver this week though? I think next week for May we have some stuff.
We have GDP this week, I think. Like GDP kind of fell off.
Okay, let me just check. Tuesday we have some 9:45, 8:30. Yeah, GP there. Unemployment claims, 10 a.m. news. Friday we have core. There, consumer sentiment. So we have some red folders, but just not on Monday, which we're moving some strong range lately.
There's 340.
Yeah, we just took out the buy side there at 240, 340. Yeah. Damn. Even though we want longs, since we started stream like around like 105, I don't think I could have got any setups at all. It's just a slow grind up. But if you guys had longs before that, holding for that top or that buy side would have been perfect. But yeah, let's see. We got 79 likes. If we got 150, we'll do one giveaway. I'll try to do one giveaway a day, but if we get a lot of people in, we'll do two. Had it long at a 12 5-minute unicorn. Let me see. I know some. I think even Ash took a unicorn setup somewhere at the low. I just wasn't here for it. It's 12 o'clock. Did it even retap back inside? I'm assuming you're looking at this 5-minute. Maybe it's a wick, but we didn't. If we got a retap back inside here to like 21, that'd been a perfect trade. After clearing those lows. But yeah, let me look at what Ash took. I think Ash took something lows down here. Was this the long setup here? Let me just check what he did. Me and Ash trade very, very similar. He took at 11.10 or something. Yeah, it was this breaker here. Let me just share it. Yeah, we took out the low here. And then we displace higher on this candle, closing above that breaker. And we have basically two FEGs. I would have just probably taken it down here because that gives a nice OT entry. And that would hold very little drawdown. But I think when he trades, he takes it on the top of the breaker and then goes for it, which still works because that's like 12 points. And I think he went for 30 there. Out of it for like something down here though. Yeah, good trade for him though. All right, what are we looking at, Desi?
They got some buy side, so I really want to do it. I don't know. I want to use a 5-minute inversion just because we're spending so much. So if we put in a new 5-minute inversion here, or a 5-minute gap, and that goes inverse, I'll look back at 50% of the range.
That'd be solid. But
back down to maybe like 240s. We'll see. This is pretty aggressive.
We just want to follow the trend here, and the trend is moving upwards, especially after the big sell-off last week.
Yeah,
this is within reason. How many setups do you take on average? For me, if I'm live stream, I just take like one setup typically, and I average like one trade every 2 hours. But I'm looking for ASAPs only. But if I'm by myself, I can take a few more setups. A little bit more risky. It could be more scalps. How many do you do, Desi? If you trade, let's say you just trade New York session in the morning, like for 2.5 hours, 2 hours.
Let's say like for today, I took just in the AIM session, I took 2 trades. And I took one in our lunch macro. I like taking scalps with these inversions.
Yeah, like if I'm copy trading like 10 accounts, I'm just looking for one setup, and it got to be a great setup. But if I'm just trading like a few accounts and I'm trying to push it up run it up and stuff like that. It'll take many more setups.
Yeah.
Especially
And
like
this
if there's bias, if you have the right bias, like you can long any setup really.
Yeah, and we'll talk about this more in the boot camp, but like when I'm green on a day on a top step account or something like, and I have a lot of drawdown available, I try to use that to my advantage.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean I'm gonna take random trades, but if I see another trade that is within my trading plan, I'll take it, even if it would be my fourth or fifth trade, or scalp, quote unquote, because that's how I like using prop firms and stuff.
It really helps with
That way.
the end of the day trailing you too. So like if you made like $2,000, like it's gonna trail you. So like you might as well just keep on running up, and like if it goes back down to a certain point, you can stop there. Maybe I grade stop,
Exactly.
but you can really push that higher. And that's why we see some of our days like it could be like $4,000. We didn't like go that in one trade. It's like many trades. I mean, all day I have to trade in a certain window. Yeah. Well, yeah. You don't have to trade every day though. Like you're saying, you can only trade 9:30 to 10:30. That's fine. Like you can find one setup there. If not, you don't have to take a trade. But if you're trading with prop firms, some firms might be beneficial to log a trade somehow or a different session, as long as you meet their criteria. But yeah, we took on a lot of buy side here. I would like shorts if there is any validation for it. If not, we're just going to keep on moving higher, probably to 50.62 on AES here. I don't know if I have any objective for NQ right now. It's kind of in the air. Yeah, the next move up, we got lots to move here. But yeah, I'll try to keep good risk management today on a Monday with a lot of range already. We kind of deliver the lows, we deliver the highs, so not much we can really do now. So let's see if we can end green, and we'll look for good setups. Whoever donated $2, bro, Dazzy, you gotta show up. They're waiting for you.
I got you guys. On a bag. On a real note though, when we run these kind of like areas of liquidity that are very obvious, it becomes a little tricky for me.
Yeah,
I'm not
we
like
need confirmation now.
like for that 5 minute to possibly inverse all that, it's gonna take such a long time. So it'll be very late into the day.
Yeah, I mean we do also have a nice low risk liquidity that we've been grinding up all the way to this high here.
Yeah.
And if we're ranging without that, we can just come back within the range, and it'll be shorts at the highs here. You just need a setup now.
Mm-hmm.
$132 a possible break. Let me see. Yeah, you gotta be careful though, because you remember, look at the bias here. If we're all bullish and then we get like a very tiny setup, you gotta make sure it's a good good setup here, and especially like this low didn't even displace through the breaker low yet, so it's not valid yet, or it could be valid to you, but it's not a high quality breaker. Well, we might get something there at least. At least this is very tight. Tight range might give you a setup with a very tight stop there too. So if it doesn't like this, I mean, we did take out this liquidity here, which is good enough there. Run this low, and then we'll try to tag it down. Probably do these relative lows here. There's an entry that I might go for. Let's see the 30-second. No, looks on it. But this is a nice swing low here, because we got a wick here followed by two higher highs here. So we could definitely look at this. And this is the imbalance that took out the high, so we could use this. If we could displace through this low and violate it, I'm more likely to take this trade. But if it's just a retap back inside, and then we could just run it higher. Someone, Enigma, asks, when you started trading dirty, Brian Desi. I think we've been trading for a long time now. I guess if we've been adding up, it's now like 4 years now.
Yeah, it's been a very long time. I got into it January 2021, and yeah, started taking it serious around May.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter the length of it. It's just like the quality of it. Like, I was really only very consistently profitable the last like 8 9 months. And the other years was like I'll get good days and I'll get bad days. I'll get good days, bad days. So like it really matters like how you've been performing, and the amount of effort you've been doing for that time period.
Yeah, like staring at a screen for 5 hours is not gonna get you better. You got to make
Yeah,
sure you're actively getting better and working.
yeah. That's why some of these
Just,
like
just
some of these boomers, bro, that they be like, I've been training for 20 years. And it's like, but you're still doing like bad results.
yeah, it's the quality of the work you do, and you could take what I would suggest is like doing like quality work for an hour and a half, taking a break, going back in an hour and a half. Like just break it up so you stay focused and locked in, so you don't get like just so sucked in and you're just doing random stuff, wasting time.
Yeah.
Speaking of that, Brian, I remember someone on FinTwit was like, "It was like these kids don't know how to trade. I've been doing this for 22 years." The guy's like, "Why are you still here after 22 years?"
Yeah, I hope like I don't know, like if we trading like with the results we're doing, and we're just scaling up slowly and consistently, bro. Like we could just take a nice break and just enjoy it, and like we'll probably like figure it out where we'll trade less screen time, but just still the same quality.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
High quality breaker. There's some parameters to that. It's either we align with the bias for sure, but it could also after we take a key liquidity level, which NQ here. This is the top of the range. The next liquidity draws up all the way up there. So we could really just get like a manipulation run here, and if we got confirmation somewhere, that would line it up. Um, yeah, displacing through the previous low is gonna be critical there too. Yeah, SMT is also another critical thing for reversal, especially, but we're not getting that yet.
Yeah, Enigma or full time.
And he took the high. You're looking at SMT on a higher time frame there because ES is already we way past this high here. This high here, on ES is this high. ES is way past that. So there's a large SMT there, but we're looking for immediate SMT since we're on lower time frame as well. We want SMT to line up on the 1 minute. Oh, I don't think we. The high here is
Maybe
taken, and he didn't
maybe,
take the high yet.
maybe with YM. No, not even YM.
Yeah, they're all moving the same right now. Trade full time. Do taxes become a bit of a nightmare, or are they not a problem? This is probably not a good question to ask for us though, since we're not professionals.
Yeah, we just send it to CPA, bro. Let them take care of it.
Yeah, I mean, but you have expenses if you're buying evals. That's expense, all these type of things, and you'll profit a lot if you make a lot of money. You'll pay a lot of taxes. That's how it is. And this year, I gave a lot of taxes as well. Yeah, I'm not trying to do anything.
Yeah, it is a trap, Trevor. You're right.
It's just like you make a lot of money, you pay a lot of taxes. That's a game.
Yep. Rather pay a lot than a little.
Do you know Justin Weirland? Yeah, I know him. What about him? I really haven't seen him trade, but he looks good. I don't know how he trades though. If he trades live, that's the best way to see if he's good or not. But yeah, a lot of people on Twitter or social media, they can just post like their wins and losses. You really got to see them call out price or trade real time to really know they're running shit. So this looking at a higher time frame, this could be that manipulation here, like above the high, and then we want to see if we want to sell lower. So we could wait for confirmation. We could try getting early, or we just wait for like it to violate a higher time frame bullish PD ray, which the next 15 minute is pretty large here. Definitely though, if we violate this, like let's say that 15 minute close in the next minute here, this is gonna be critical here. This 15 minute, if this gets inverse here, I'm looking for lower prices.
I want to see if you get some SMT up here as well.
Yeah, SMT is gonna be critical. But it's just been slow grinding up. There's just not much I can do here. I'm not longing up here. And I'm not shorting until I get something. Did you take a trade on CPI this month in AM session? When was CPI?
Oh, random.
Dude, I don't remember what CPI is anymore. We just get high there. I probably did though. Maybe I traded evals on that day and loaded up because waiting for good volatile days like CPI, non-farm payroll, all these type of things, they're perfect time. They're prime time to really get evals. And I think, let me see. When was the sale for ETF today? Is it only ends today, right?
Yeah, it's 24 hours.
Oh, damn. I want to buy some after stream then. I'm probably not going to trade them today. But yeah, let me share it for you guys. I posted my Discord though. I really try to keep update with good sales. If it's bad sales, I won't post them. But this one is actually good because I really like the fast track at least.
Yo, Enigma, I'll cover that on in the bootcamp, but I'm telling you, I go more aggressive the more drawdown I have on a certain day. So if it's a really volatile day, I'll size like the same size, but I'll take more jabs at different things. It's all about building the buffer for me. That's how I trade.
Yeah, once you get a lot of drawdown already, you can really go for more. So you can't really go for like a 10K day when you only have like a few thousand drawdown, but now you have like 10,000 drawdown, you can really go for a bigger day now.
Yeah, Enigma, like even on Top Step, right? Like you still have your daily loss limit on a 150K count, which is 3K. If I'm up 2K, I'll be aggressive. That could work with 5K. Obviously, you want to take good setups. You don't want to be gambling or whatnot, but that's how I personally trade my accounts. All my. And you're gonna have big losses too, but it comes with it. You gotta be like. I've traded with large size on live accounts and all that, so it's not nothing different for me.
Yeah. Yeah, some people are asking about the ETF sale right now. I posted my Discord if you want to see more details about it. Fast Track is only $22 with a 70% off. They usually go for $75. But the key thing with Fast Tracks, if you pass, the first month activation fee is waived. So you basically get it all in cost funded for $22. And last time I had Fast Tracks, I was able to get payout on them. It's like $22, or I think it was like $30 at the time. So this is like the lowest I've seen. But $30 for the funded all in cost, and like I got $2,000 payout on them. I'm gonna load probably like 10 later after stream and try to get them going slowly throughout the week. But you have 14 days to pass. Fast Tracks, you only get 14 days. That's 14 calendar days. So essentially 10 trading days to pass it. But
Is that previous day high on ES?
oh, we still run. I did not realize we were pumping.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, the Friday high.
That's the Friday high.
The next high is that 50.62 now. Yeah.
Or NQ still has a mission. Okay.
But yeah, we've been pumping, and there's no like any setups I can really take. Even long setups, like I would want a sweep before seeing it joining longs here. That long I have here at what is it? When I close that short for my paper, it shows 223. That would have been up 50 points already. That's a buy signal right there. Low key. Oh, we just tapped that the buy sell on ES right there too. Yeah, so looking at a higher time frame here. We get a 4-hour closure at 2 p.m. so in 10 minutes. And that's gonna be telling for where it dictates price.
So also, this is kind of random, but not random. A lot of people did ask me over the weekend. We are in a weekly inversion gap, and people ask me how high probability is that, and my answer is I truly don't know, because there's not many cases where we get an inversion on the weekly. Excuse me. I just got another message about that right now.
The weekly.
I'm looking at ES monthly. Yeah, I'm looking at ES monthly. We're getting a wick out of that monthly FEG, so I would play that bias instead of the weekly.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to be on high time frame bias, but like if you're looking at like that high time, like monthly, weekly, and then you're trading the 1 minute, like
exactly, there's no point. Exactly.
You could be right and then get stopped out still.
And I was bullish coming into this week, just the earlier part of the week. So this is actually, I posted an outlook, and this is kind of what I was expecting. I was like higher prices for the first half of the week at least.
Okay, we're really moving here.
Nice. This volatility is really good though, after chopping for such a long time.
Damn, did anyone long since we started stream? I think we started like 1 p.m. Since stream though, like it's like all bullish candles. Like even the 5 minute is like we only had like one red candle. That's like a more of a consolidation candle. So we had like literally like 10 candles that are pushing higher and higher, and expansion candles. Yeah, BK, they all have consistency rule on ETF for funded. It's like 40%, which is pretty standard for all firms. They're not too bad. They just don't want you to make $10,000 in one day and then try to get a payout the next day, or do like $100. Like just make it more consistent, and like at the end of the day, they're still a business, so they don't want you to just go for a big day and try to get the money.
We are squeezing.
Yeah, we are squeezing. Holy crap. We're in the hourly FEG here. This is the next hourly. And then we get the 4-hour closure in 8 minutes.
Do you think I had a long, bro? I literally longed at the bottom today, bro. The one I sent you earlier at 166. My goodness. This is one of those days where you want to long just go to sleep, dude, and wake up to a bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should slow down here though. A little bit. We're in an hourly gap on both indices.
Yeah, I don't think ETF, the fast track, has a one-time activation fee option, but I don't think it's necessary because you will know if you do go in the funded or not. It's only $80 a month. And then your first month is waived, so you have that first month to see like if you can really even go for the payout threshold or not. Which it does have trailing draw. Keep that in mind. That's why it's so cheap. But like if you compare it with Apex though, like you can get it 50K Apex for $33 right now. ETF is only $22 for 100K. But they waive the first month off, so that makes it a killer deal. Because if I pass Apex for $30 and then pay the monthly $85, that's $100 all in cost. Versus ETF just $20. But yeah, it's only a sale today, so if you do want to take advantage of it, go for it. I only post sales when I think it's something that you can really go for. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be buying like 10 tonight and trying to pass them throughout the week. But it's hard though. It's 6K profit target, 3K drawdown, and it's trailing drawdown. So like you're not gonna expect to pass at above 50% win rate. It's just that tough. Would you recommend using trailing stop loss in every trade? I don't do that, but I'm not against it if you have a model that works with it. My trading style is kind of like, like let's say I risk like 10 points on NQ. By the time it gets 20 to 25 points, I'm already all out. And if I really want it, I'll just re-enter on it. And that's what's been working for me. I don't really have to go for home runs. It just depends on that trade. How do you sign up for the bootcamp? We're gonna be working on it. We'll try to put some time and effort on it and get it good, and we'll slowly release them. What's your profit target each day? I really just try to go for a few $100s. It could be 200, it could be 400, it could be 500. It depends on the day. And then if you apply that to like 20 plus funded, it really adds up. And if you take a $300, $400 loss on a funded account too, on all 20 plus accounts, it's a hefty loss as well. We're in this hourly FAG here. We took out the main buy side. We just want to see if we can violate the bullish PD raise now on more of a higher time frame. But yeah, we are about to inverse this 1 minute FEG. That I don't know if that's something you would like to trade, Desi, or you just want more confirmation first. But yeah, I'll be watching for the first. This is the first one here. That's really the first bearish candle that we had, like the first strong one since we started stream. It's been very shallow. So let's see if we can get a setup coming up here. Bored and just short it, made $500. I hope you don't do that all the time, because next time you're not gonna be as lucky. Anthony, the bootcamp will just be free. It's probably gonna be on YouTube. We're gonna probably make it like a 8-10 video series. We have it planned out. We're just gonna have to work on it, each one of them, and edit it well. Try to have it well produced, and then hopefully that video is gonna help for long term, like even for new people. Like hopefully you can show that to a friend that never knew prop firms before, and it would help them. So it's gonna be like multiple videos, like mainly for beginners, and then we're gonna try to work on videos for more advanced people. Like let's say people trying to scale up, trying to stack accounts, just strategy for them, like what the risk tolerance is. So we'll try to work on for beginners, for people that are failing or doing bad on prop firms, and then we'll do it for people that are excelling already. And we can probably look for topics for people to really keep on pushing it. Yeah, Gan, I hope you don't have that habit of like getting bored and just trying to join in on a trade. because next time you could try a short and we can have a big expansion candle upwards against you. What about those who haven't heard of trading? That might be because I'm not trying to teach like trading to complete beginners who don't even know what a candlestick is. I'll try to have resources about that though, but they really need to have a learning curve for a few months and then they can really step in. But you know, my model with the trading and my setup like breakers and unicorn is not that complex. I've taught some people of it who don't know ICT. They just know the parameters that they're looking for. They need to follow the bias. They need to follow like everything needed for a high quality breaker. If they've been using it and it's been doing well for the last few months, they've been taught it. There's no confirmation for me yet here. Where did Desi go? Is he still here?
Bro, I've been talking this whole time on mute. Oh my god.
That's what I was like, let me just check if he's mute or not.
Oh my god, dude. GG's sauce.
What were you saying? I was
Wait,
wondering.
did you hear what I said about the inverse gaps or no?
No, dude, I think you're muted for like last 3-4 minutes.
Oh my god. No, like you're like, oh, would you short this 1 minute or whatever?
Yeah, then there was no response. I was like, okay.
Aw, shit. No, I was like, I'll wait for that 1:45 5-minute gap. God damn it, my bad.
Yeah, that's a good one here. If we can, that'll be the start of the first higher time frame violation of a bullish speed array. That'll start something that we get confirmation there. But without confirmation, you're just kind of shorting blindly. Even though we're deep at premium, we could be really going for a objective beforehand. Yeah, but nothing yet. It's 2 p.m. right now. We got a 4-hour closure. This 4 hours still inside of this gap here. And ES closure is very bullish here. We got more of a we have a low, we have a high. We didn't sweep the low, so this is more of a mitigation if it does come back up or come back down.
Dude, man. I was answering chat questions. I was doing everything. Oh man, that was funny.
You gotta be if I ask you a question and then like you answer I didn't say anything, you gotta like think like maybe something's
I thought
up.
I thought some. I was like, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, bro.
Okay,
Well, that's how it is.
yeah. Okay, on the 1 minute, we're starting to show some signs, but it's way too early. Like if we're been expanding and bullish on higher time frames, we're not gonna try to short the first 1 minute we see.
Yeah, I think we're gonna tap into a 5-minute fair value gap and then get some type of bullish reaction, and we kind of consolidate in there. But I think they're for sure going for like 74 on NQ.
But yeah, hopefully the stream also helps practice it, like reinforce like patience and discipline, because it is gonna be tough.
Brian, do you do AM streams often or no?
I kind of do a mixture. Like I do more AM streams than PM streams though, but I'll probably try to do more AM for the rest of the week unless my condition is if overnight is like already taking liquidity for both sides, I'll opt to PM.
Oh, that's fair. That's fair.
Because based on my experience though, like when we do something like that, AM is gonna be like so volatile and like it could go both sides. I'd rather wait for clear price action. I'll let that AM play out, and then PM we might get something decent.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah, but I don't really have a structured schedule like that, like other people. But man, since we're just like kind of waiting for stuff. We got one hell of a fight last. Was it last night or 2 days ago? Saturday.
Saturday.
With Ryan Garcia and
Oh,
Devin Haney. Did anyone watch that? Did anyone in chat watch that? That was an upset. Like I think I was telling people like when we're people who were boxing fans, I was like I'll bet money on Devin Haney because like Ryan just looks like he's not focused on that. But I was rooting on Ryan because Ryan I watched his other fights, but he's just been in like a mental episode. But I don't know if that's a joke or if that's a publicity stunt. But holy crap, he performed. Business partner put 2K on Ryan. Would you put it on like just him winning or like a knockout or something? Because I think a lot of people, like if you had Ryan to win, it's likely by TKO, but he didn't get that chance because the ref was also fighting him. He had to fight the ref too. He had to fight two people at once.
Yeah, dude, that ref was. He had his whole net worth on Haney, bro. Shit was crazy.
Round
I think people,
7, man.
Yeah, people really forgot how good Ryan Garcia was.
He fought Tank, which Tank is like he's already like a very elite fighter, but he's also drained. Like I saw the size difference of him. Ryan
drained,
versus
dude.
Tank, like because he has the rehydration clause. This one, I don't know. He also was already over 140, and then he probably bulked up too in that last like day. But yeah, Ryan looked huge compared to Devin Haney, the two. So
I never understood the hydration clause thing. I just seems so like so unnecessary.
I think he's got to move up. If he can't make the weight, bro, you just gotta move up.
Yeah,
You can't just
him and
drain
Tank,
yourself.
They gotta fight at 150 or 147, whatever the weight class.
Yeah. Let me see this. We might get some bearish setups here. I want more confirmation before really giving it a go, though. It might be just too early.
I think NQ's gonna go for that 5-minute.
Yeah, but look at the 15-minute. If we can sell below this buy side here, I can really see it float back down. We need a closure on this 15-minute somewhere here, and then we'll have that gap to play with. Rhino's trolling. I still don't understand like what Ryan was doing with his defense though. He was like turtle shelling. I felt like his head was open too, but Devin Haney was just going for the liver and the side in the back too. He was just smacking the back so many times.
Honestly, guys, when me and Brian were texting during the fight, I thought they were gonna rig it, dude.
I know.
And give it to Haney. I really thought they were.
Because we were thinking the same thing with Francis Ngannou and Tyson Fury. Is like, dude, we all agree like Francis was like up there, but then they rigged it. I was like, down. So we're like, yeah. Dude, they're gonna find a way for Devin Haney to win this because he was like winning most of the rounds, but the knockdowns really count too.
Yeah, especially after the whole ref shenanigan, I was like, damn.
Oh yeah, that would make sense if his condition is bad. This might be the bullish entry here. It could do a more of a continuation breaker because we got somewhat of a liquidity move there. I'm looking at these two up close candles. If we get a closure above here, we might get a long setup to now. And this will be with bias within our bullish bias here. So yeah, I wouldn't want price to go back below 280 now. So if I would get entry here, I'll join for it. Let's see. That's confirmed there. We have strong displacement through the high. This doesn't look like it wants to come back down though.
That's very aggressive.
Yeah, that was very aggressive. So yeah, people who are shorting blindly, they gotta get killed right there.
Yeah.
So someone in the chat was like, "Dude, I just shorted. I was shorted because I was bored. I made $500. Let's go." I was like, "Dude, next time that happens, you could just be down like $1,000 right off the bat." Like, I hope that doesn't build up a habit.
Yeah, that's a gambling mentality.
No trade, no setup, no trade. Basically, that you want to have that mentality going, moving forward. Yeah, but this is not bad of setup here. It doesn't really have a FG in line. We need to come back down. Let me just break it down 30 seconds. Maybe you'll see something. Not really. But yeah, if we get a retrace back to 390, it could be something we could play for because it's a very tight stop. I would just put a 3 stop, maybe like 7 points. But it's just not. I don't even know what target I'll go for other than I'm a little bit long bias here. Just because every high
Yeah.
time, every everything's looking upwards. Here, I'm gonna take a bathroom break here. I'll be right back. Desi, you can entertain them.
Say no more. Make sure I'm not muted this time. I wish I knew how to do polls for the chat. All right, guys. What is your what out of all the prop firms? What is your favorite firm? FTMO. I haven't seen that one in a while. It's Trevor. Take profit trader. That's something that's interesting. I think they have intraday trailing, but they have daily withdrawals from what I know. Blue Nox is or Bullinox. I don't know how to say that. Is also another one that's interesting. Which you can date with you. Alejandro, I use my own account too for only options and like stocks and stuff. But dude, I think for futures, it's just the risk reward for me. I think is just so much better with prop firms like dad's wallet.
Okay, I'm back here. Let's see what are you guys talking about. All these
I said,
firms.
what's your guys' best prop firm? Someone said my dad's wallet. That's pretty funny.
Lots of Top Step, a lot of Apex. Those are I think those are the two popular future firms right now. Top Step, Apex. Top Step is probably more suited for a lot of people. Apex, it really you can really excel with them if you know what you're doing, which a lot of
Yeah.
people probably don't know what they're doing.
Definitely. There's a couple. Someone said Blue Nox and also take profit. That's interesting. Me and Brian were talking about take profit.
Yeah, take profit. They had daily withdrawals and all that, but they have some rules and all that too. So,
Yeah.
I'm already trading with 4 firms, and like I'll slowly add them in as long as I get all of them to pay out. And like eventually, I just want to copy trade all the accounts and just go for like a few $100, A+ setups a day. Like say $300 on like 30, 40 accounts. That could be a big winner there. Yeah, Top Step is good. My Fund Features is good too. I think they have fairly competitive prices right now. You can get $50, 50K account for $50, and then activation $50, $100 all-in costs. Which what's your balance right now on Desi? Desi, I recommended you the My Fund Features, and you started them like a week ago or something like that, and you ran them up, man. Crazy.
Yeah, I started them on I believe it was Thursday, and 350Ks they're at 6.7K each, so around like 21,000, 20K.
Which is
total.
Crazy because the
There's
cost
only
of that,
2-3 minis as
dude,
well.
the cost of that is like $50 a pop activation fee, $50 a pop, so like $100 each, 3 accounts, $300 all in costs, and no monthly fees are at all because it's a one-time payment.
Yeah,
And you really ran that up to like 6,000 profits on it on each. That's really crazy.
Yeah, it was very clean.
Yeah, but what I've been doing, like I get inspired, like I want to do that as well, but like for me, like you have like 6,000 profits. Now you have payouts for the next like month and a half.
Yeah.
And then I've been operating like once I get like a nice cushion payout threshold, I'll just throw it into my main accounts, and then I'll like my main accounts I really only go for a few $100 a day, which it really adds up though. Like now, like a week later, it's just like $1,000.
Yeah, I know it's capped 2 months. The first 2 months is capped at like 2K each account, but I want to really take that first payout and then try to run it up.
But it's also
as much as I can.
bi-monthly payouts too on my fund features, which is good because $2,000 every 14 calendar days, that's $4,000 per account per month.
No, yeah, it's amazing.
And you already have enough already. You have 6,000 plus already, so you have enough payouts for both days, or for both months, which is great.
And guys, with this volatility to size down, you only need 2 minis, maybe 3 minis to really run it up. These with this, like I said, building that cushion is the main thing for me when I trade. Because like I said, $2,000 a drawdown on like those accounts with 3 minis or 2 minis is too much. So you need to really first. I scout my way up until I have more cushion, then I go ahead and go for it.
Yeah, Kobe. For that reason, I'm not no longer taking this breaker entry. Like I was interested once we got closer here. If we retap back down, this is what it probably would look like. There was no FEGs here, but there's a volume balance. There's an order block here. I could just slap at the order block there. Stop 8 points, which is comfortable because that's the next low. I wouldn't even want to see it. It's next low. Then target, final target would have just been the next high there. Been like 2.65 RR. These are typical trades I take, and you guys might be looking like we're looking for shorts because we're at premium, but like there's also continuation breakers that you can trade after we get clean sweep. Those are more high probability too. But Desi's trying to conquer each firm like he's Thanos. He already did big numbers on ETF. He's trying to do big numbers on my fund futures. Now you got like Top Step and you are also running up Top Step too.
Yeah, it's around 24K right now with two.
The only one left, the only one out of the big four. If we're talking about the big four, what I think of the big four is like Apex, Top Step, my fund futures, and ETF. Those are the four that I get paid frequently on, and I have like prop guys with. He only needs one more now. It's Apex. That's a final boss.
Apex. Something about that trailing drawdown really
it's tough. It's tough.
It's so hard.
Think about it though. Think about it like in a normal count. Once you get that threshold, it's like a normal count now. Now you can run it up.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I just think with my style and how I run these up, it just doesn't fit. But like I said, I'll give it another go soon though. I know you don't want me to do that.
Yeah, I did take a break with Apex too because the trailing drawdown was annoying. But like once you have more of a risk tolerance per trade, things get much easier. So like you're not trying to just blow or go for like a big day or a big trade on it because trailing's against you, and you're not trying to have a big loss on it. So like if I'm just doing like $500 loss per trade maximum, I can lose like 4 or 5 trades. Or if I'm doing the 150K account, I can lose more than that.
Yeah.
Someone asked why not the 2 p.m. breaker? Was there a breaker 2 p.m. on ES or NQ? This is a down close candle, first of all. If it's the 159, this is the high, this is a low. We didn't get a sweep, so that's more of a mitigation there. We would need this to be down here first and then move up, and then that'll be the breaker. And that makes it more high probability. Like mitigation is cool and all, but like my win rate and trading is revolved around looking for breaker type of trades. So like what do you have here is just simple. We have a high, we have a where is it? We have a low here, we have a high, we have a lower high, and then we move up. So that's just like either order block entry or a mitigation, whatever you want to call it. But a breaker would need to run that low, which we did here. So that's why I focus on that. And this is also a very tight drawdown too. Oh yeah, good question though. If you don't know, that's a good question. I'm 18 right now, funded 150K. What's the next move from here? Get more funding. Just slow your horses here. We want to get payouts first and then scale up.
Yes.
So like reinvest them.
Yes.
So like the first payout you get, try to like see if you're ready for a second account. Then if you can get payouts on both of them, try to go for 3, 4 accounts. Like slowly build up.
Yeah, because trading them one is already hard enough. You don't want to have the mental, drain of trading multiple accounts at one time, especially if you're just starting. Like, get your money first. It's not all your profits in your accounts don't mean shit until it hits the bank.
Yeah.
Get your money first, then reinvest some of those profits, save some for taxes, whatnot, and then you can scale up that way. I would never suggest you, as soon as you get funded, go get another one. No. Get payout first. Reinvest the profits. You don't want to be put in a hole.
Yeah, and then social media really gets you wanting to FOMO into that. Like you can see like someone else like, oh, I got 20 payouts. You can do the same thing if you just follow me or like buy my course, all that stuff. Like you just want to be relative to what you're doing. And you're 18 in that case. Like you're still young. You have a lot of time. Like maybe in a few years you can fast forward. You're already disciplined. You're paying yourself frequently, and then you're gonna get like multiple counts, 20 counts even, and it's just gonna be a progress for you. Wow, we're just still pushing, man. This long setup would have been at least something like, even though we're long at deep premium, we had a setup for it, and our buys are all pointing up higher prices. There's no confirmation for shorts yet. That's why you see me not even taking a look at shorts. I would love to join in longs though, if I could. But some people look at this expansion move up. They're like, we're probably ready for shorts soon, but there's no short setup, so you're just blindly shorting.
Yeah.
And even that we have that 1 minute FEG at like 152 right there. We did get a closure below it. If you took that trade, you would have got burnt like so many times. Yeah, that's a good statement, Gil. There's a lot of FOMO. People rush funding accounts. People see other people's results and they want to replicate it real fast when they're not even ready for it. And the other side of the thing is like people who you watch, let's say on YouTube or whatnot, if they're trading a lot, they could be burning through accounts. So someone who has like a lot of profits on some Apex right now, they could already burn through a lot. So you don't know what's happening behind closed doors. Yeah, for instance, I think Patrick right now he has a handful of accounts that's doing well, but I don't know how the hell he's doing. He went for like the last post I saw, it was like 15 accounts, $10,000 profits. I don't know if he's focused on the consistency or is he already over, but that's the type of trading that you are gonna burn through lots of accounts.
Yep.
But yeah, me and Lanto was talking about this because someone brought it up. But there's another streamer, Alpine, which he does a lot of payouts already, which is respectable. But the way he trades is gonna be very different from anything you even would think of. Because like, for example, I think he does like 7 ticks. 7 ticks NQ is 1.75 points, like not even 2 points yet, and then he'll risk the whole count. So he'll make like $200 and risk the whole count there. But he goes for like a 95% or 99, I don't know, win rate. We regularly lose, but I think today was a day that he lost a lot. But think about that, Desi. You should go. Let's say your stop is like 30, 40, 50 points. You're trying to TP for like not even 2 points yet.
Yeah, that's insane. Just take your time. Everyone's on their own path. And then
Yeah.
when you look at people like Brian and stuff getting payouts consistently, like he's been doing it for a very, very long time.
I'm slowly
It's
scaling
not
up too. Like
random too. Yeah. No rush. No rush. That's what another thing about social media in general. Like, I would use it to get the education you need, and that's as far as I would go with it. Right?
Yeah.
You don't really want to look at what everyone's doing on a daily basis because, like, it's just not. It just really doesn't matter, right? Respectfully, it doesn't matter what anyone else is doing. You shouldn't care.
You gotta take what you can from them or for anyone online, and then just back test, forward test, see if it even works for your style. If it doesn't work, just kill it. Even if they keep on posting like crazy results, if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you.
Or get a payout and join a profitable signal trader. Honestly, I think investing into someone like Brian is really good.
We're
and
free
obviously
right
he
now.
provides all free stuff right now, exactly,
Yeah.
right? So this is like a very, very, even if it wasn't free, this is something I would say invest in.
But
like,
people put value in that too. Like when I was
Yeah,
paid, people
100%.
wants it. Like they're looking for discounts on that. Now I'm paid. Now I'm free. Like there's the people that was in like the premium, all that. They just like, okay, I already paid for a different group. Since I paid that for that person, I'm gonna just focus on them. Even though like it's the same service, we're doing the same trades.
mm-hmm. Yeah, Brian is a goat for this.
And then we're working on a boot camp for you guys too, because once we saw that results, man, it's so mind boggling because me and Desi and other people that I talk to every day about trading and all that, we're doing so well with it, and we've been scaling up and consistency. And then once we see like our group, just like some people are not doing as good, which is like lots of it is just mental. We just need to see if we can get some courses and get some education there. Talk about like stuff outside your trading, because trading, you have your trading model, and then you have the prop rules, you have the psychology of that, the mental barriers and all that you need to work on. So it's a two-step process. You can be a great trader, but you can have poor risk management or prone to emotions. Like even that guy right now, he's like, I'm bored as hell. I'm gonna just short this, and I made some money. Like that worked for now, but who knows how long it'll work for.
You study the trades as well. The signals aren't temporary. They teach. Yeah. You got to make sure the person you're learning from definitely a teacher that knows what they're talking about. And like Brian said, doing it in a live environment is the best way. And I think this is the best way to learn as well, right? Better than backtesting. You know, FX Replay is a very nice tool, but I think learning a live price action is the best.
Yeah, forward testing.
As your best friend.
You just kind of want to backtest like a new model, and then you really apply it to real market, because like backtesting and forward testing is two different things. Like you're seeing it real time, you're seeing the candle forms, you can really understand your emotions right there right now. That guy Gan, he
I
made
know,
1400. He's like, no more gambling. God damn, man.
There's a member of my Discord. He's 16 and he types just like that, dude. It has to be his like burner account or something. Pretty funny.
Oh, by the way, Desi, when do you get your payouts on Top Step? I think mine is
Wednesday. This will only be my third winning day.
Oh, damn.
These accounts are new. I ran it up really nicely with the volatile price action.
I think I have two accounts at like 4,000 each. I probably need one more day or 2 more days on it, which is great.
Yeah, that's good.
But yeah, Top Step, dude, like I have like my Apex, my ETF, like in my fund features, like I'm getting that payout threshold and getting that buffer so I can like account for future months. But Top Step, man, like you can really get payouts once a week, and like I've been doing that basically. Like each week, I'll have a payout somewhere. It'll be like 1,000, 2,000, 1,500.
Yeah,
and it adds up. Even though my last payout that I did, I only had like $1,500 on it because it was like at 2,500, but I lost some, and I got $700 out of it, but it was still good to me because it still adds up. And now like Top Step already, like I'm like at like 10,000 on the month only on Top Step. I took 8,000 literally yesterday on Apex, and other firms are still covering it. So we're just, as long as you're just getting that habit of just paying yourself, no matter what it is, even if it's like $500, that's a lot.
It goes a long way. Yep.
That covers your expense too.
Yeah, that's a big thing too. Make sure you're staying above your head above water with it.
I do well on demo, but lose money when I'm live. Yeah, that might be difficult because like I don't know how you're trading on demo. If you're just like treating like a loss, like okay, whatever, this is demo.
Start with like 2 micros. Like start very, very small when you go to live account. I think it might be a size issue. If you're feeling anxious during any time during a trade, it's your size issue. No matter, even if you think it's not a size issue, it could subconsciously just be back of your mind. You don't even realize it. It's all about the size of your trade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like I think for now, like if you're looking for shorts, you need to see something. Not even the 1 minute. The 1 minute is like we already saw the 1 minute inverse before, and it just came back up. You want to see like the 5 or 15 minutes, see something first, before play it.
Yeah, there's nothing right now.
You gotta also be open minded. Like even we're at high premium right now. What do you think? Let's see, we're up like probably 1% on the day, right? 1.5%. You can still be looking for longs because I was looking for longs down here, even though we're up already big. But if the bias is looking for higher prices, you gotta run with it. Is it the bootcamp? No, the bootcamp's probably gonna be lots of videos. It's gonna be like probably 8 to 10 videos. This is more just like us trading, us answering questions. We're just vibing.
How many likes we got?
Enough for one giveaway yet?
24 more likes
for one giveaway. Then if we
and a
get
giveaway.
250, if we get 250, we'll do two. I'll try to do that every day. So like, I mean, if you have 150 likes, we don't know how many people was participating, but like, let's say there's like 75 people who participate when we do the giveaway. You have a 2% chance.
Facts. Make sure you guys like the stream. Brian out here doing it for free.
Because like I'm partnered with some of the firms, and I could take like bigger deals and all that stuff, but like I'm choosing the accounts, and all the accounts I have, they give me like a few accounts each week to give away. No benefit to me, but it really helps a lot of the viewers. And we don't really have that many viewers. We have like 200 viewers. Like, let's say 100 people participates. We give away accounts like once a day at least. Sometimes 2. I think Friday we did 3. And like there's like probably like already like 60 people here. We probably gave away 60 different people already. So you definitely have a good chance.
What do you think of Dodgy? Dodgy's our friend. He's a good trader. Like that guy.
Yo, he trades inversions as well.
Yeah. He's a good dude.
It's basically Desi and Ryan trading inversions, and me and Ash is more focused on breakers. But we're open to doing both things. Like I know like Desi and Ryan also look at breakers too, and I'll look at inversions as well. Sometimes I'll take trades based off of it. When's the giveaway? We haven't hit 150 yet. There might not be a giveaway. Oh, there's 154. Okay. We'll probably do one in the next few minutes then.
Please, can I win, bro? Please. I'm taking the count, guys.
So basically, you can the winner can choose from 150k Apex, ETF 50k end of day, or My Funded Futures 50k starters. But the key thing with the My Funded Futures, there's no activation fee if you have a giveaway there, which makes it a very good account.
Brent, I have videos on my YouTube about inversions. I also have it on my Twitter under the highlights tab on how I trade them. Dodgy's videos are good on them. I don't feel like there's a lot of just inversion traders besides me and Dodgy.
All right, we'll do the giveaway now. If you guys like the stream and then comment your YouTube/Twitter username just one time, or disqualification. And that's all you gotta do. Some people didn't like the stream last time, and we had to the bot detected it, and we had to choose another one. Some people comment twice, and they got disqualified there too.
Twice.
So,
Trying to win.
Dude, there was one guy Friday. We did 3 giveaways. I think he was like the second one or something like that. And then he commented twice. He's like, I didn't know. Sorry. I thought you said comment twice. I was like, no, man. Every time we do the giveaway, it said comment one time. But yeah, we're still pumping, man. We're still. This whole stream, we started at 1 p.m., right? I swear, dude. We moved like 150 points without any retracement. And there's only one setup that I was able to like attempt, and we didn't get that yet.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Pretty aggressive. These last 2 Mondays have been insane.
It's a Monday too. I did not expect a Monday to do this.
Yeah, 2 days in a row. It's been. What's my OF?
Let me just put this up here too.
How many viewers do we have? 240?
240.
250? My YouTube is just my name, Dusty_trades.
I'll give it like 4 more
You just
minutes.
click my.
Yeah,
banner
you can
thing.
click Desi's YouTube there, and then you'll see them. I'll link you for the next time we do a combo.
I gotta post more on YouTube, guys. Sometimes I just post them like. I just forget to upload on my YouTube.
Yeah. I also got to. I've been trying to make some videos on breakers, but I haven't got around to it.
Yeah.
But those who really watch me live though, they really understand already. But some people just come in and like, what's a breaker? What's a unicorn? And it's like, damn, I really got to make these videos. So I just like, watch that video. Watch that video.
When someone asks you what is ICT, GG's. Alright, Brian, I got like 15 more minutes in me.
Yeah, we'll wrap up the stream probably at 3 p.m. So we're not too far off. But yeah, no trades yet, man. That guy who gave you $2, you might have to refund him. He was looking for a trade. Okay, give it another minute here. We'll do it. All entries will be sealed at 2:36 here. All you gotta do is just comment your username and like the stream. How can I join your trading team? You don't really have to be part of the team. You're trading with us right now. You can share trades, and I'll look at it. And if I sometimes like I'll actually take the trade too. Yeah, but no setups today. Like I don't want to force trades. Like even though we've been live for like nearly 2 hours, hour and a half. If there's no setups, man, we're not gonna take anything.
Yeah, and it should be a good rest of the week too. So
we're on a streak right now too. For I guess for my YouTube stream, we went 2 for 2 last week. We got a trade in the other Friday before that. So we're coming this week on a streak there. Yeah, that shows on my fund accounts too. I have my main set fund accounts, no loss yet on them. As long as we're just only looking for high quality setups, we'll be chilling. But these were my results. I think Friday here. Yeah, when we had that ES setup in front of it was like a very good trade. I only took it for like 8 points. It went like 30 without hitting our stop. But all my fund accounts, you can see Apex. You see my fund futures. You can see ETF, 156K. Top Step is under here. You can see all that. So everything was there for us. Desi, did you enter too, or did you just?
Oh, I added myself to post this like the YouTube channel thing.
Imagine I didn't win, bro. They'd be like, yeah, dude, rig this shit.
It's rigged. It's rigged.
All right, let me see. We can start running it now. Okay. Let's run the giveaway. This winner is someone named James D. If you're James D, please come forward within the next 4 or 5 minutes. We have to re-roll. If he comes forward though, everyone just congrats him. Because next time it could be you. But yeah, so far we already gave like 60 plus accounts. There's one person who actually won twice. We haven't had anyone else who won twice yet. All right, James T. Yeah, just DM me on Twitter or Discord. Just DM me on Discord and show a screenshot of your YouTube profile. That just shows your James T, and then I'll give you an account. Yeah, Eric, 4 hours uptrend. It's crazy, man. Like, if we're looking at the 15-minute candle, it's all bullish candle. So, like, some people are asking, like, do we short here? Do we short? There's no confirmation of short. Why would we short this uptrend and go against a trend? The only setup I wanted was this long here. We didn't get that. Yeah, but if you message me, James D, you can pick from any of these accounts. The My Fund features, apparently the giveaway winners, there's no activation fee on them. If you buy them, there's activation fee, but it's just for only giveaway winners. So it really amps the value of it. And the ETFs 50K right now, there's a 70% sale, so like, you can probably buy them your own. So I think the My Fund Futures is first, best value. Second is Apex. Third is ETF right now. But yeah, last week everyone chose ETF. That really was surprising. I caught a piece of that setup. I'm here to learn from you. T-Trey suggested. Was he referring me because I trade bakers or just as a trade in general? Oh, that was the first big What the heck? Do you see this, Desi? I don't know if you're muted or not.
God.
This is the first
GG's.
candle we saw in ages, man. What the hell?
And this is why when Brian was saying you don't want to be gambling this price action. Like, this is very, very volatile price action. It's a 20-point drop out of nowhere.
And that got eaten up too.
Yeah, it did. I don't know. Maybe we get an aggressive move on the end of the day, but like I said, some Monday. I don't know how much it has left in it. They just hit the pentacle. Oh my god. Guys, Ganja made the call for the short, bro. That's what he did.
He been shorting for the
He
longest
was
time.
short. He was short, bro. That's why. Trust.
When this hourly here. Yeah, I need more confirmation before I really join in shorts too, though.
If that previously used gap, Brian, at 206 goes inversion, we'll push down to like the mid 70s.
206 on what time frame? 1 minute?
The 1 minute, 206, 1 p.m. or 206 p.m. candle.
Is it 206 or
207?
207? Okay, yeah.
207,
so, yeah. Holy crap, man. You cannot really expect this. Once it's been grinding for so long, I guess you can expect it, but like, you don't know if it's gonna just be bought up. You need confirmation first. Yeah. Someone saying, I'm telling you, just wait till the last hour of the market, it'll go down. Who knows what happened, man? But yeah, there's no clear setups right now, and we're lacking confirmation. Upside, there's draw above, like way up there, but we're already up like what 1.5% of the day, and we're in this hourly point of entry, so this is probably a good time for us to balance. It's on Monday too with no news drivers, so I don't really have hopes for it to keep on continuously push up higher right now. It makes sense to balance within the 300s, 400s here. But yeah, if we get a setup somewhere, I'll try to join in. But finally, we got strong displacement somewhere. We're about to inverse the first 5-minute FEG there, and if we can also violate this OB here, look at this order block here. We'll see how that goes. And I'm marking the 50-minute here as well. So if power really wants to move downwards, I'll join in with it. This is critical on ES here. If we get a nice closure under 50.56, that'll be big. That's the buy side we have here. We have the balance pushing us past the buy side. We'll see if that really goes for it. Damn, we're just moving lower. I want to see if we can get a setup today, though. I'll try to stick around a little bit more here. Because we're really pushing. Like, what happened, man? Just did a big tech... Wait, we have Tesla earnings today, too, right?
Yeah, I believe so. After close, we have a lot of earnings this week.
Well, we'll see the 15-minute and 5-minute closure in a second here. But like, if we look at the 15-minute candles here, that's like mainly the first bear close since like 12:45, and we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 expansion candles. So I would definitely look at lower prices from there. If we can
Wait,
confirm.
Tesla earning might be tomorrow. Hold up.
Is it tomorrow? Okay.
But I'm gonna check the. I'll check the calendar. Oh yeah. It is tomorrow. This Monday usually doesn't have big earnings.
So we tested that FEG that you're talking about. We'll see if we want to close through it. Would you take that trade, Desi, if we retapped it and then we close under that? Maybe we can see that.
Talking about the 207 one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is something I would take.
Like I guess if you take it, like, let's say like you get filled like around 290, where would you stop being there? Just to
Whatever the previous. So it's hard to say right now, but.
I might join you with it, man.
Honestly, I would. This is gonna sound like kind of crazy. I would short all the way down to 342, bro. And I would have my stop around like. Let's say we put in a high right here. I'll put my stop around like 414, 413.
Okay, I see. So yeah, everyone have a different stop size, TP. That's more like what, like 15-point stop or something, 20 points. But you're going for a larger TP as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we got Tesla tomorrow after close. We got Meta Wednesday. Microsoft, Google, Thursday. Should be interesting.
So yeah, we landed on this 5-minute on ES as well, and we're just see now. Yeah, let us know if you want to take a trade. I'm actually interested in lower prices right now. After we get a 15-minute closure there, the first 15-minute bearish candle right there. We're really pushing. So we're looking at this 1 minute here. Oh, I moved to a lot of shit. Oops. I mean, I think it's still good because we're just moving so strongly right now. This would be a good time to put your screen on, Desi, but we don't have that set up yet. But just let us know if you think it's a good setup or not.
We'll do.
It's retesting many times too there, so like if we do get closure under, that should really violate.
Should be good.
Might retrace to trap bulls. That's also a scenario. This is about to sell off here, man. ES is looking to itch lower already. I
actually
like
April
ES
2020
here.
candle. Yeah, it looks neat.
I would love to see another 15-minute bearish candle though to confirm, especially under through this ES here, which is like we just need 55 on ES closure. That'll confirm it for me.
There's a little 1 minute knowing a little SMT happening. Maybe we could push back into the higher gap and come down. The other good thing about inversions, like, you could avoid a lot of losses too. The setup doesn't present itself.
Someone posted an earthquake alert in Taiwan. You think that caused it? Okay, we're gonna moving down here now. We need to see this closure. Pop back up. You think this would be a good closure here? Or do you wait for a retap or do you just enter?
No, I don't wait for retaps.
This might be like it might not even pick you back up. Let's see if it closes under first.
I don't like this close.
Yeah, we close within it, so
Yeah, I was still in it.
I mean maybe we get like a breaker set up somewhere too.
I've had so many trades like this where like I'm waiting for it to close under and then it takes out the previous low that it made and it's like, bruh.
But
This is good patience. This is waiting for that closure.
the off chance though, if this still bullish right now on the 1 minute though, if we can close above that previous high, we'll get that breaker. That might be the setup to take long as well though. We'll just have to see. But yeah, it tested this 1 minute so many times. We wicked higher now. This does. Where's the 5 minute? The 5 minute closure is about to happen, and we might get a closure under ES here. No, it didn't. Okay. Is there a ES bearish unicorn setup? What time frame are you looking at, Franco? Oh, maybe you're looking at these down close candle. It's possible. It's tough because the range we already like delivered way past it, so that'd be like a very slight retap. That's not something I enjoy really. On ES though, like if you're looking at this here, this is clean on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. Sorry. If you're looking at this, I would consider this here.
That 3 minutes about to close inversion as well.
Yeah, we're looking for a run to probably under 380s right now, 382s.
This goes.
We haven't closed under it yet, did we?
No, I was looking at the 3M. The 1 minute is wicking right above every time.
We should 3 minute.
This has, yes, I think this is still gonna go because it's 3 minute close. But I don't really trade the 3 minute. I'll wait for the 1 minute closures every time.
At least we can look for a run straight under the 383 low. That would create that bearish breaker on the 5 here.
Yep, stay patient.
Yeah, we're just kind of idling right now.
This 1 minute is trolling so hard.
I basically want NQ to displace through this. If that'll be a 5 minute setup here. We're already displacing.
Oh, we're gonna take the low out. That's unfortunate. That's so unfortunate.
And we also confirmed the breaker on ES on this candle here. So if we did retap back inside, that would have been a potential short as well. So we're trying to get setups, but we're just not getting the entry needed for it, unfortunately.
That's what I meant. Like it does that a lot of times where it doesn't close in the candle that will inverse it will take out the low as well. It just makes it so hard.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5 minute though. We might get a decent 5 minute setup on ES here. We can climb back up. If not, I think we're just gonna keep on selling lower. There was no clean closure there though. Jermaine went short 407. Hopefully, you got some profits there. Yeah, but my eyes are on the 5 minute now. Oh, we gotta run back to 65s here. I'll join in probably over there.
Yeah, I agree. That'd be a good area.
Well, we get the hourly close also soon. We're rejecting out the hourly point of interest too on the ES, which we could see this as more of our manipulation there if we moved lower from here. Let me just make this visible. There we go. So I hope no one is like, no one's been trying to short the move up, and then once we move down, no one's trying to long the move down. That'll be
The ultimate genjutsu.
like you're just fighting the trend so hard that it's tough. You tried live PM session every day? No, I tried one session. It could be PM, it could be AM, just depends. Yeah, I got your DM, James. We're good. But man, I don't know. We get a setup. I don't want to keep on trying to trade till
Yeah,
hour though.
this is getting into my danger zone of
Yeah.
time.
But
It's just one of those sessions happens.
this is something I'll look to take though. Like it could be probably 66 just to add straight the order block there. We can you can also refine that entry. Look at the 1 minute, see if it aligns better. And I'll just put my stop above this breaker. Even if we get above this 5 minute, that's already probably a red flag. But yeah, just doing above the breaker here would have been probably decent already. 3.75. Here we go for the low. That's not bad of a trade for me here. Probably 1 hour confirmation here. What do you guys think? You guys want to try this short on ES here? I might just do 1 minute or something then because it's near power hour. Which kind of sucks. Let me load it up. Okay. We're looking for a run inside this fight. Wait, what the heck? Did we get into it?
I have 65.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at above 60, 67, 67, stop at 70 right now for ES trade. We're looking for a run in here, inside here. Would love 1 minute confirmation too. If you're thinking this is risky, you can wait for a 1 minute confirmation, maybe off of inversion on the 1 minute that aligns with that breaker. I'm trying to see a move up higher here. Just gonna draw HOT here as well. This might be my last attempt here. If we don't get this in the next few minutes, we'll be done.
I would be very surprised if you put in a new high today. I really would.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if this gets us here. Yeah, I gotta take a piss though. I'll be right back in a second.
It has to be extremely clean for me to take. This is not with my this is not with my trading hours. My PM session usually requires like the first hour max. After that, call it. Personally, prefer the AIM session a little bit more than the PM session. For my entry criteria, there's 256 FEGs. They go inverse. I'll take a trade.
Okay, I'm back. What happened? Let's see. All right. Hello, hello. You guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was holding my P in because I didn't expect to like try to trade past 3.
If this 256 gap goes inverse, I'm taking a trade off.
I have 1 in right now. 66 stop at 70 right now, but yeah, I think it hit 66. They hit 66.5. Let's see. There's have 1 in right now. Here. Just put your stop. Wait, where's my bracket? We'll just see where this goes. I want to align it with the if the 1 minute shows confirmation, I'll join in with it. Yeah, let's see. Are you looking at this inverse here? Are you looking at NQ or ES?
NQ. I'll take this 1 minute inverse. If it happens. I'm gonna send you what my setup will look like, Brian.
Okay. It's power hour too, so you guys gotta be careful. Oh shit.
Yeah. I don't know, you can post this if you want.
Yeah, but we got I think it hit 66.5. If you guys got the entry, that's good because we put in a stop at 70 right now. I'm looking for a run to this next low if I can. If not, I'll just log the day there on this trade.
I sent it to you. Unless you want to share it or whatnot.
The Discord?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll share it. This is what Desi has here. He's looking at if this 1 minute inverses, he's gonna put stop a little bit above there and target. Wow, that's a big target. I don't know if you're going for this today, like, or this session.
Yeah, I mean, dude, you never know. I honestly, I could see a sell off at the end of the day happening. Pretty aggressive.
This is our entry here, guys. 66. Stop at 70. I can't do the thing because let me see if it works right now though. Oh shit. Because if you guys were watching earlier, I can't connect to Trade Evade, but I think I talked to support. Oh, it works now. Okay, cool. I can just try to share it now. Let me pull that up. Hang on. I need to set it up here.
You got a great entry on ES. Good stuff.
Yeah, that was good. This is what it looked like. I could just take the TP right now on my fund is here though. But we're looking at 66 to 67, stop at 70. It's a 5-minute entry. Of course, I would want a rundown this low though, but it's 3 o'clock too. You never know. See if I get one more.
NQ's holding that gap.
NQ is holding it.
This guy, for me, literally, like, I'm gonna give this 7 more minutes. I'm good. Pretty late. Oh, I need a standing desk, bro. Sitting for so long.
Press 1 if you're in the short. I showed this in my screen. This was a play here, but I had to pee because I wasn't planning on trying to stream past 3 here. And it would be so bad if I took a trade and like I'm like panicking or trying to pee basically, or like I'm holding it in. So I'd rather do it. Have my limit already. Have my stop on. Yeah, there's still people taking it. It was a clear setup. I mean, it's a clear breaker trade. It's nothing like if you know what the trade you're looking at. I show you the screen. It's a very, very easy to pick. But yeah, it's like about like how many points we got right now. I would love if runs 4 points right now. That's 1-1 right now. But we're trying to go for this low, and if it can displace this low, this would likely run all the way to the next order block here. But I'm not trying to stick around too long though. We're trying.
Yeah. ES is definitely weaker here. What's that, like 4 handles on ES?
Yeah, 4 handles. I'll try to take it off 4 handles here. I just took it off at 4.5 here. It's only 1 minute though. I wasn't trying to risk much, guys. This is PM. This is what I have. My fundeds here. Someone's in longs, goddamn. But I think it hit to the tick though. If you had the limits exactly where I had it, 66.5. We're looking for an entry within this 5 minute. There's the invalidation of the play is at the breaker high. If it goes above the breaker high, kill the trade. But this is already about 1.5 RR, I think, or 1.25. 1.5 right now. I'm just going for this low. This low would be a full 2 RR here. Yeah, if you're looking long, it's kind of fading our trades right now. Which best of luck,
Fade Brian, you'll go broke.
This is also kind of like confirmation on the 1 minute because we had this displacement, and then we close it here. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the stream in the next few here. Unless you're trying to take a trade, Desi, I don't know. I'm not. I don't trade PM at all, like or 3 PM post 3 PM here.
If you got yours in, I'm good.
Yeah. But it looks like about like 10 people took that trade with us on ES. That's good. Hopefully you guys see your profits. I don't know how PM works, but if PM really rejects for this breaker, we're gonna smash through this low. We're gonna displace this low here. I'm gonna expect a run to this low here around 54. That'll be like more of a 13-14 point play. It just needs we need to see NQ also displaced through the previous low and forming that breaker there too. So yeah, we got inversion close, retap back inside of it. That could be entry off of itself there. Some people are saying I like longs. I hope it does good for you, but we're all in shorts right now after getting confirmation. But yeah, we basically tape bridge for about 2 hours, and then we got it set up literally the last like 5-10 minutes of the stream.
5 minutes. Yeah.
Like I had my limits in. I took a break, and then everyone took the trade. It's very clear though. Good work, guys.
Brian, do you trade ES more than NQ?
I do half.
That's surprising.
This setup was not on ES or NQ.
Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah. Even the inversion, right? It's
yeah.
present. I can't trade ES. I don't know. It's just too slow.
Surprisingly though, my hit rate on ES I think is higher. But like when I hit on NQ, like like NQ gives a lot of points, a lot of profits.
Yeah.
So like, this win on ES, like I got like 4 points from the high. If I took on NQ, no, NQ's just too strong right now. But like let's say it was going the same strength, NQ would have been like 30 points already, 25 points.
Yep.
So yeah, CJ, I don't think Desi went short on NQ because we didn't.
we haven't even closed NQ.
He's looking at this FEG here. But yeah,
I'm gonna call it CJ. This is very late for me.
Yeah. Dono's long from 397. Hope that plays out. That's like long at the bottom there. Yeah, but the 5 minute is very clear, guys. Very tight stops because we have the breaker. We have the 5 minute inside of it. We got closure under the down close candle. So it's a pretty clear setup. You can go for a 1-1. Right now it's at 1.5 right now, but likely if this plays out and we do come down, I do think we just run down to this low. That'd be like more of a like 4R trade if you are holding a runner or something like that. But I typically it's gonna be difficult when it's power like this. It could take you out and then run it down. Who knows? But let's just wrap up the stream now.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have 194 likes. If we had 250, I would have done another giveaway. But yeah, we'll be on tomorrow. Probably AM, guys.
Yes, sir. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you, Brian, for having me on.
Thank you. Next time I'll link you Desi on the description. But if you guys, let me just see. It's just Desi Trades. All right. Is that your YouTube?
Yeah. That's the underscore trades.
Yeah. And are you planning on hopping on stream like?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a YouTube stream this week. Yeah, probably on Wednesday.
What's your schedule like? What's your time?
I always want to do AM.
AM. Like what
so like
time?
around 9:45 to around 11:30.
Okay. Yeah, that's kind of like around the same thing I do, like 9:45 to 12 though. But I don't really take trades like that close to lunch.
Yeah.
But yeah, if I'm not on live morning, you guys can watch Desi, and maybe we can also do the collapse chill too.
Yep. Down.
All right, guys, have a good one.